Good morning students, welcome to SEB online class. In the last class we have studied the type integration by parts. So, integration by parts formula is integral u into dv equal to ub minus integral dv. Sir, இங்க வந்து ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்கும். சப்போஸ் சிங்கிள் ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருந்தால்னா இன்டெகிரபிள் பண்ண முடியல அப்படின்னா நம்ம இந்த இன்டெகிரேஷன் பை பார்ட்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அதில் இப்போ ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனை யூன்னு எடுத்துப்போம், the remaining ஒன்றை டிவின்னு எடுத்துப்போம். ஓகே, அந்த யூ எப்படி சூஸ் பண்ணுறதுன்னு நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். லிசன் த வேர்ட் ஐ h and I stands for inverse function, for example sin inverse, cos inverse and so on, and L stands for logarithmic and A stands for algebraic function, T stands for trigonometric function, E stands for exponential, that means e power x வர மாதிரி இருக்கும். Next இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி which come first, அதாவது இந்த வேர்டில் which letter comes first, choose that function as u, அதான் யூன்னு எடுக்கணும். ஓகே, அந்த u வந்து algebraic ஃபங்க்ஷனாக இருக்கும்போது சப்போஸ் x பவர் 1 இருந்ததுன்னா we use this integration by parts formula. Suppose x power more than 1, x square, x cube, etc. இப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா we use Bernoulli's formula. These two are same only. எப்போ நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா if the power of x is more than 1, in that case we use Bernoulli's formula. Our Bernoulli's formula is integral u dv. That is, the left hand side is same in the integration by parts. It is equal to ub minus u dash v1 plus u2 dash v2 minus u3 dash v3 minus u3 dash v3 plus etc. Here u dash, u2 dash, u3 dash and so on are the successive differentiation. That means if we differentiating u, we get u dash. Again differentiating u dash, we get u2 dash. Again differentiating u2 dash, we get u3 dash. Similarly, v1, v2, v3 are the successive integration. That means if we integrate v, we get v1. Integrating v1, we get v2 and so on. Okay. Using this formula, we do the exercise sums. First sum in exercise number 2.5 is we do the second sum. Already we done first sum. Already we have done first sum in the integration by parts formula. Now listen, x cube into e power 3x. This listen ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், ஒன்றை யூவா அஷ்யூம் பண்ண போகிறோம், the remaining ஒன்றை dvயா இருக்கு. Okay, this is equal to x cube e power 3x into dx. இன்டெகிரேட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணுங்க, இதில் this is algebraic function and this is exponential function. From this word, which one comes first? Algebraic function comes first, exponential comes at the last. So we assume algebraic function as u. So we take u as x cube. The remaining function and dx together we assume that as dv. Okay, now use the Bernoulli's formula because x power 3 is given. Because x power is more than 1 இருந்தது அப்படின்னா நம்ம we use Bernoulli's formula. So for Bernoulli's formula we differentiating x cube 1 by 1. First u dash. U dash means first time நம்ம differentiate பண்ண போறோம். We get 3 into x square. Again differentiating u2 dash, we get 6 into x. 3 into 2x is equal to 6x and u3 dash equal to 6 1. After we get 0, here after we differentiating we get 0, so we have to stop up to this. Next dv is this. Now integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides, we get this. So this is b. Integration of dv is b. equal to e power 3x by 1 by a. 1 by a means 3. Here a is 3 plus c. So we need not put c here. The last put up on sum. This is equal to v1. Next we find v1. v1 means again integrating this. So keep this 1 by 3 outside. So e power 3x again we get e power 3x divided by 3. Say. Now we get what? E power 3x by 9. Next v2. இது வரைக்கும் பண்ணனும் u3 dash na v3 வரைக்கும் நாம integrate பண்றோம். So v2 is equal to e power 3x divided by 9 into 3. So e power 3x by 27. Next integrating v3 we get e power 3x divided by 27 into 3. This is equal to what? By 81 say. So v3 is e power 3x by 81. Next we use the Bernoulli's formula. Listen பண்ணுங்க u3 dash 6 வரைக்கும் வந்திருக்கு. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா 0. So நம்ம இங்க ஸ்டாப் பண்ணும்போது u3 dash வரைக்கும் நம்ம ஸ்டாப் பண்றோம்னா v3 வரைக்கும் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி ஸ்டாப் பண்ணணும். Okay, now write the Bernoulli's formula. Bernoulli's formula is integral u dv equal to ub minus u dash v1 plus u2 dash v2 minus u3 dash v3 etc. So this is our question x cube into e power 3x dx and is equal to u into v. This is our u and this is our v. So x cube into e power 3x by 3, e power 3x by 3 and minus u dash into v1. These two. U dash is 3x square and v1 is e power 3x by 9. 3 into x square into e power 3x by 9. Next u2 dash into v2 or u2 dash is 6x into e power 3x 27. 6x into e power 3x by 27 and minus u3 dash is 6 and v3 is e power 3x into 81. So divided by 81 plus c. The last input c is equal to strike by 3 table we get. One time this is 3 times next. Here also strike by 3 table 2 times this is 9 times. Here 2 times 27 times. Okay. X cube e power 3x by 3 minus x square e power 3x by 3 plus 2 into e power 3x by 9 minus 2 into e power 3x by 27 plus c. Now taking e power 3x outside, so we get e power 3x taking outside we get inside x cube by 3 minus x square by 3 plus 2 by 9 2x. Okay, 2x by 9 minus 2 by 27 plus c. Okay. Let us see fifth sum x power n into log x. This is an integral x power n into log x dx. So consider the word IH. This is algebraic function. This is logarithmic function. Which function comes in the word IH? Present here. Algebraic is here. So L comes first. Logarithmic function comes first. So we choose log x as u. Okay, u is equal to log x. The remaining one, dv equal to x power n into dx. Okay, the remaining these two we assume as dv. Okay, இப்போ log x வந்து x power ல இருந்தானா, அதாவது x power more than 1 ஆ இருந்தா Bernoulli's யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். இங்கே நமக்கு u வந்து log x னு இருக்கு, x power வரல, algebraic function வரல. So we use integration by parts first. Integration by parts la first differentiating this we get du equal to 1 by x into dx. Next integrating this we get b is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is our first form. Okay. Now write the formula integration by cos. Integration by cos is integral u dv is equal to ub minus integral dv. First formula, fifth type. எப்போ அதை யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்னு ரிசன் பண்ணுங்க. u equal to வேற ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருந்தால் ஓகே அண்ட் எக்ஸ் மட்டும் வந்தாலும் ஓகே தான். சப்போஸ் u is equal to x power more than 1 இருக்கும்போது பெருமாள். Otherwise we use integration by parts. So substituting in this formula, this is our question. First write question. Integral x power n log x dx equal to first u into v. So this is our u and this is our v. Log x into this, that is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into log x minus integral v into du. v is this x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 and du is 1 by x into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into log x minus this is constant, so take this outside and integral x power n plus 1, this is of power 1 is it, so take this x to numerator we get minus 1 in the power is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 into integral x power n into dx. Now integrating this is our first type and use the first formula. First formula is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, in these two terms, this is x power n plus 1 and divided by n plus 1 is common, so take it outside. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into the first term log x மட்டும் remaining இருக்கு minus here we take this outside, so we get 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, understood. Next let us say sixth sum, x power 5 into e power x square. Then it is given e power x square. Suppose it is given in e power x, we use directly the formula, but it is given e power x square. For this we use substitution method. Substituting t is equal to x square. Okay, e power x இருந்ததுன்னா நம்ம டைரக்டா போடலாம். It is given e power x square, so we assume x square as new variable t. Now differentiating we get dt is equal to 2x into dx. x into dx. Then so suppose 2 reducible இருந்ததுன்னா 2 இல்லாம இருந்ததுன்னா we have to multiply and divide by 2. நமக்கு என்ன வேணும், x கண்டிப்பா வேணும், இருந்தாதான் இதை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். Already x power 5 is given, so from x power 5 we take 1x to this dt. The dt க்கு ஒரு x நம்ம இங்க இருந்து எடுத்துக்கிறோம். So எப்படி அதை எழுதணும் பாருங்க. integral x power 4, x power 5 இந்த ரைட் x power 4 into x ன்னு எடுக்கிறோம். Okay, x power 4 into e power x square into x into dx. So again we want 2. திரும்ப நமக்கு 2 வேணும். So நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், multiply and divide by 2. So the multiply 2 inside லையும் divide 2 நம்ம outside ல நமக்கு தேவையில்லாத outside ல. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2 into integral. Now substitute these two for x power 4 and e power x square. So x power 4 equal to, so 3 is equal to x square. So x power 4 equal to t square. Okay, into e power x square is what? E power t. And then 2x into dx equal to dt. Understood this? This is of the form integration by parts. The fifth type integration by parts or algebraic function or exponential function irundhathu appadina adha integration by parts use pandrom. Okay, integration by parts la Bernoulli's use பண்ணணுமா இல்ல integration by parts use பண்ணணுமா check பண்ணா. First listen, this is algebraic and this is exponential. Which comes first in the word? Algebraic is first. So algebraic first இருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? Algebraic function u னு assume பண்றோம். Okay, so u is equal to t square and the remaining one is what? dv. dv is what? E power t into dt. Okay, இப்போ இத வந்து நம்ம simplify பண்ண பிறகு திரும்ப integration by parts ல ரெண்டு மெத்தட். First integration by parts இன்னொரு Bernoulli's. Listen, u ல algebraic function more than one power வந்து more than one இருந்ததுன்னா we have to use Bernoulli's formula. So here t square is given. So t square இருக்கிறதுனால we use Bernoulli's formula. Bernoulli's க்கு அப்படியே நீங்க dash போட்டு காமிச்சீங்கன்னா போதும். u dash equal to differentiation of this we get 2 and again differentiating we get 2. இதோட ஸ்டாப் பண்றோம். ஏன்னா கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டா வந்தோடனே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடுவோம். ஓகே, next இதை இன்டகிரேட் பண்றோம். integrating we get b and right side we get e power t. e power t அப்படினா again e power t தான் வரும். So v1 also e power t, v2 also e power t. Okay, v2 அடுத்து கண்டுபிடிச்சனா போதும். Okay, next write the Bernoulli's formula. So Bernoulli's formula is for integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u2 dash v2 minus u3 dash v3 plus etc. So this is our question, right? Yes. Sorry, this is our question now. 1 by 2 into integral t square e power t into t. So our 1 by 2 is common. Right, as it is 1 by 2 and uv. u into v is what? T square into e power t. Okay, t square into e power. Next u dash v1 minus u dash is 2t into e power t. The last one u2 dash into v2 plus 2 into e power t plus c is equal to, listen, e power t is common, take it outside, e power t divided by 2 into t square minus 2t plus 2 plus c. Next, இந்த t க்குள்ள என்ன அசைன் பண்ணிருக்கோமோ அதை யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Okay, is equal to e power x square by 2 into x. T square means x square the whole square. So we get x power 4 minus 2 into x square plus 2 plus c. Understood this? Do the homework and send me for the video. Thank you students. We'll meet in the next class.